Hey Cody, so here's a quick video to show you how to transfer your survey from your free account to the UCO Qualtrics account. The way to do that, it works the same between any two Qualtrics accounts. So as you can see on the screen here, I have two different Qualtrics accounts open. Over here, towards the right side of the screen, this is my UCO Qualtrics account. I can tell that because up here in the URL, I've got UCO in the address. Over here on the left, I have my Oklahoma State account. Now, in this case, your second account will be your free account. Like I said, works the same way regardless of what the two Qualtrics accounts, where the Qualtrics accounts are based. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to pause this video, and then you're going to want to open up either two windows, or depending on what browser you're using, you might just open up two tabs in the same browser. And in one window, get your UCO account, and in the other, get your free account. And get signed into both, and go to the dashboard of both, which I am doing right now. Okay, if you're listening, I assumed you've got yourself at the dashboards for the two accounts. So again, let's pretend that this is your free account. This is my Oklahoma State account. I can tell that by the URL. Also, I got the OSU logo up here in the tab. So let's just call this my second account, okay? So whether it's Oklahoma State or in your case, the free account, let's just call those the second accounts. And you have a survey on the second account that you want to transfer to your UCO account. Here's what you do. It's pretty straightforward. Open the survey you need to transfer. So I'm going to pretend on my end it's this news media literacy survey copy for UCO. Open the survey, go into the survey tab, and then real simple, go to Tools, click on Tools, go to the bottom, go to Import Export, and you're going to click Export Survey, not Export Survey to Word, just Export Survey. Click on it. You should get a pop-up window that looks something like what I've got on my screen. It's going to save it in what's known as a QSF file. You can see that right up here. That basically just is a Qualtrics file. And then tell it you want to save the file. It may already be selected, but if not, click on Save File, and then click OK. And it will automatically download a QSF file for you. I'm going to open up my downloads, and I'm going to drag that file out onto my desktop, if I can find a place for it. You won't get a message like that. I already have one out there. That's why it's saying, giving me this message. So I'll just tell it to replace. Just drop it on your desktop and then go to your UCO account. And then in your UCO account, open up any survey. Doesn't matter which one. Just if you don't already have a survey there, go ahead and just create one real quick. Just create a blank survey. Literally go to Create New Project. Give it a name, doesn't matter what. Just get something you can open, and then click on that survey. And the reason you're doing this is, in order to import the survey, you need to go back into the Survey tab. And then once again, you go to Tools. You go down to Import Export. You go to, in this case, you go Import Survey. Then you're going to have to choose the file, and you will find that file on your desktop. There's mine, and it has the file name will be more or less whatever the name of your survey was on the second account. You double click. You will get this message. That's fine. In other words, what it's telling you is hey, when it says it's going to create a new survey, what it's saying is, hey, we're not going to copy and paste it into the survey you have open. We're just going to create a new survey for you on your account. And that's fine. Tell it import. Now, depending on how big the survey is, that will affect how long it takes the import to happen. But as you can see, it's not very long. And now, let's go back to the dashboard. And I'm just going to go to the general window, and there it is. You should find it. You will find it in your uncategorized. My desktop is a little more complicated because I have a lot of surveys. But when you go back to your dashboard, you should find the file that you just imported. And that is how you get your survey transferred over to UCO um, without having to retype the whole thing. Okay, so once you get that done, you'll want to go ahead and collaborate that survey with me for the assignment. But otherwise, you should be good to go.